Hey guys, so right now I'm just taking off my eyelashes. We're going to take off my makeup, so I'm using some Vaseline, and this is for my waterproof eyeliner. I'm going to use some Pond's makeup wipes and just wipe the rest of my face off, just to clean and exfoliate too. Now I'm going to tie my hair up just to protect my hair from the water and also use a headband. I'm going in with some cleanser and I'm just washing the rest of my face. Just make sure all the dirt is off. So I'm grabbing a towel right now, but you want to pat into the skin instead of rub it around so the moisture sits in better. Now I'm taking a regular mask. You can use any type of face mask, but I use it at least maybe once a week. But you can use any one and it should work. This one I just got from my BoxyCharm subscription. So 10 minutes, you're gonna wait, do whatever you want. Now I'm just taking that off. Man, I love that feeling when you take off a mask. You feel like a whole new person. I'm just rubbing the serum into my face. Now I'm taking my moisturizer, and I love this stuff. It really evens out skin tone, and it's one of my favorites for my skincare routine. Now just take the rest of my hair down. And this is my night routine, so that's what I look like at nighttime. Now it's time to go to sleep. So it's the morning time and I'm using my Pure Clay cleanser. This is just to get all the dirt off and the dead skin cells. It does have little beads in it to exfoliate, but you can use it every day, and that's what it says. Now I'm going in with my witch hazel, and this has an aloe vera formula, so I'm just applying it all over the face with a cotton ball. I'm going in too with my pink juice moisturizer, and this moisturizer smells really good and it gives me a subtle glow in the face. We're all done now, so I put on my makeup and I went outside, but it was not sunny that day, so you couldn't see the glow from within. But thank you so much guys for watching my skincare routine. Definitely like, subscribe, and comment, and I will have another video up soon.